Introducing Coax cable strippers from TAWAA Tools. 45-160 to strips round cable jackets up to 3.2 mm in diameter. 45-163 strips larger round cable jackets and inner conductors from 3.2 to 5.6 mm in diameter. For 516 is suitable for cable jackets from 6.4 to 14.3 mm in diameter. And 45-165 is for cable jackets and inner conductors from 4.8 to 8 mm in diameter. These tools are ideal for fast wire stripping and has no fiber damage. Adjustable blade depth settings allow for a precise strip for multiple cable types and sizes without damaging the core. Rounded edge slitting blade included. Tool has ergonomic design and comfortable feel.